this is Chad Agarwal. I'm the owner of Perfect Clicks LLC. Today we're going to be talking about a custom software project and how we can make sure that you're going into a proposal knowing what you're looking at. If you've never developed a software project before, it's really important that you really understand the problem that you're solving and what your goal is for that project in order to make costs and get into the right platform and all this. So the first thing I want to explain to you is make sure that you have a minimum viable product. If you have maybe just a website or a basic idea, you want to really come up with what is the minimum that I need to develop to prove its worth or to prove that it can be used in the market. This is like probably the cheapest, most effective way to really get your app started and to be able to develop moving forward. So you really want to come up with some sort of an agreement that is going to allow you to maybe develop for that MVP, but then also add on additional features as you go along. Really, when you're working with a software development company, see like ours, you want to pick somebody that's going to align with your brand and hopefully understand what your client needs so that they're going to develop with you. It's very much like building a website. If you try to develop a website for one time, it's probably not going to be very good. The best websites, several revisions and versions that go in. People come up, I want that website, and I can tell you off the bat it took many years a certain website to where it is. So similar with software, you want to pick a partner that you're going to grow with and somebody who really is going to support your business. I think that's going to help because ideally if you build your app correctly, it's either going to give a lot of profit and a lot of value to your internal business, or you're going to be selling it to people, and if it's part of your sales process, it's also going to deliver a lot of value. You might get a lot of requests for upgrades and feedback, and then if you're really going to infuse the product and turn your company into a software company or a technology-based company, you really want to have a partner that you trust, that you do right by you, and that will work with you in terms of the cost to make sure that you get to that minimum viable product first, and then you add on all the features after. So if you're getting into custom software development, definitely reach out to us at perfectclicks.com, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Also, I'll recommend that if you're in the medical field, or even if you're not, check out our video on creating forms. A lot of people will try to build apps just to pull in data, so we have some really interesting stuff on how to build patient forms, which could be applied to any business. Definitely a good watch there. A little bit of a longer video, but if you like this one, I think you'll like that one as well. Thanks.